In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Cash App to Plaid. If you're new to Plaid, think of it as the secure bridge that lets apps verify and connect to your financial accounts without you having to manually move information around. Connecting Cash App to Plaid makes it easier to link your Cash App balance or account to other finance apps for transfers, deposits, or quick verification. We'll begin inside the Connect Cash App to Plaid section of our guide. From there, open the How to Connect Cash App to Plaid walkthrough, then dive into the step-by-step instructions. This gives you a clear roadmap and context for what's coming next, so you know exactly which screen to expect and how the process should look. Keep your device unlocked and connected to the internet, since you'll be switching between apps and confirming permissions as you go. Now open the app that uses Plaid. This could be a budgeting tool, a brokerage, or a payments app that asks you to link a bank or balance. Look for options like Link Account, Add Bank, or Connect with Plaid. When the Plaid window appears, use the search bar and try typing Cash App. If you see it listed, select it and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll review what data the app is requesting, confirm access, and then wait a moment while Plaid completes the connection. When it's done, you'll be brought back to the app you started with, and your Cash App balance or account should be available there. If Cash App doesn't show up in Plaid, don't worry, it doesn't always appear directly in every Plaid partners list. In that case, open your Cash App and review your account area so you're ready to follow the alternative path your Plaid-enabled app provides. Many apps offer a fallback right on the screen, such as continuing with a card or a different account method. Just follow the prompts the destination app gives you. The key is to let the app guide you. If it supports Cash App via Plaid, it will walk you through it, and if not, it will offer an approved alternative. A few quick security tips before we wrap up. Only connect through Plaid's official interface inside trusted apps. Avoid links or pop-ups that look out of place. Double-check the permissions you're granting and make sure they match what you expect. Keep device security features like screen lock and two-factor authentication turned on, and if you ever decide you don't need the connection, return to the destination app and remove access there. That's the process for connecting Cash App to Plaid, plus what to do if Cash App doesn't appear. Follow these steps, take your time with the prompts, and you'll be set.